Welcome everyone to a comprehensive guide on the 5 cheapest places in the United States where you can buy a house. If you're dreaming of home ownership without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. In this journey, we'll explore the hidden gems of the real estate world where your dream home might be just around the corner. The first place on our list is Detroit, Michigan. Our first stop is the iconic city of Detroit, Michigan. Known as the Motor City, it's revving up with affordable housing options. In Detroit, you can find homes for as low as $40,000. That's straight $40,000. The city's revitalization efforts are attracting budget-conscious buyers from all over. With low property taxes and cost of living well below the national average, Detroit is a city where homeownership dreams can become a reality. Whether you're a lifelong Detroiter or considering making the move, the city has something for everyone. The second place on our list is Birmingham, Alabama. Heading south, we arrive in the magic city of Birmingham, where magic extends to the real estate market. Starting at just $50,000, Birmingham offers a diverse range of housing options, from historic homes to modern developments. The city's low property taxes and affordable living cost make it a prime choice for anyone looking to invest in their own piece of magic. Third place on our list goes to Toledo, Ohio. Now let's journey to the Midwest, where Toledo, Ohio surprises with its affordability and welcoming communities. With a median home price of around $80,000, Toledo provides an array of budget-friendly housing options. Toledo's strong sense of community and low cost of living create an environment where homeownership is within reach for many. Toledo, Ohio is an affordable, vibrant, and welcoming city with something for everyone. Fourth place on our list is Wichita, Kansas. Venturing to the heartland of America, we arrive in Wichita. Here, affordability meets opportunity. With a median home price of approximately $100,000, Wichita offers a variety of budget-friendly housing options suitable for families and individuals. Wichita's thriving job market, low property taxes, and affordable living costs make it a standout choice for budget-conscious homebuyers. And there you have it. Wichita, Kansas is an affordable, vibrant, and family-friendly city with something for everyone. Whether you're moving here for work or fresh start, Wichita has a lot to offer. Fifth place on our list goes to Memphis, Tennessee. Our final destination is the vibrant city of Memphis, Tennessee, where the soul of the South meets affordability. In Memphis, you can find homes starting at just $90,000. The city's diverse neighborhoods offer an array of choices, from historic homes to modern apartments. With its rich cultural heritage and low cost of living, Memphis is an attractive option for those looking to make homeownership a reality without sacrificing lifestyle. In conclusion, Memphis is a city with a soul, offering a unique blend of culture, music, and opportunities. Whether you're drawn to the music scene, the food, or the welcoming community, Memphis has something special to offer. There you have it, folks. These are the 5 cheapest places in the United States to buy a house. From the Motor City of Detroit to the soulful streets of Memphis, there's a budget-friendly option for everyone. Remember, while these cities offer affordable homes, it's crucial to do your research, consult with local experts, and consider your unique needs before making a move. Your dream home might be waiting for you in one of these fantastic locations. Thanks for joining us on this journey through affordable home ownership. We wish you the best of luck in finding your perfect place to call home.